tired of eating dry out chicken breast? If so, this video is definitely for you. Nothing about this so dry. Hi guys, welcome to another video. And today we are frying chicken breast. This breast is already washed with lime and vinegar. To my wash and clean chicken, I'm going to add some mayonnaise. And I'm trying mayonnaise for the first time. So let's see how that goes. And I'm also going in with my mustard because this is what I normally use and I love it. So I'm gonna add a little to it. Some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Some Maggi chicken seasoning. So I'm gonna use some Szechuan. So we're going to use a half package of this and leave the other half for the flour. I'm also using 1 egg. By the way guys, this is about a pound of chicken. Now I'm going to just combine everything together. I want to combine this nicely. If you have skin on your chicken, get it under the skin, get it in the crevices and the cracks and the everywhere. And then we're gonna set this aside. Now what I'm about to do is add some flour to a bowl. This is about 1 cup of flour. Do I think that is enough? I'm gonna put half 4 cup. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with half more, so it's 1.5 cup flour. And then we'll do a teaspoon of Maggi chicken seasoning along with a teaspoon of Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I'm also going to use the other half pack of Goya Szechuan. Now let's combine this together. Could I put some paprika in it? I want to change my mind. I'm gonna set this aside. I'm gonna load the chicken again. And then we'll add it to the flour. Coat it with the flour. Shake off the excess. And then we're gonna add it to the grill. So I'm gonna do that with each piece of chicken. Make sure we put the chicken and the egg again. And add it to the flour. Shake off the excess. Place it on the grill. So we have one more piece. The same thing, same process. Wet it in the flour, because that's how we're gonna get the flour to stick to the chicken. Turn and turn and turn. Then we dust off the excess. Place it on the grill. Alright, usually when I test oil to see if it's hot or ready for fry the chicken, I normally shake some flour in it, and you so fast the flour fizzes away, that means the oil ready. The oil hot and ready. Alright, so now we're gonna drop the chicken in. So we have this. When you want man, you find the internet that post it to the breast of the hardest part of the chicken to fry. And I'm like, no, the breast is the easiest to fry. Especially if you want it nice, you don't want it dry. Alright, so now we'll go in and remove this from the pan. For 7 minutes. Alright, we're trying to see how long. That's what I put the price. 153. So we're tying it. Alright, so 4 minutes in. Have a big time. You know, it takes about 25 minutes. So, I'll turn the chicken on. it's changing, the 5 minutes in, just the one time. Alright, so we have to put them in now. So this is what we have so far. Okay. There we go.